Hello, and welcome to Easy English Daily. Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Don't worry if you are a beginner. You are in the right place. Today, you will learn 100 powerful and useful English sentences. These sentences will help you in your daily life. They are simple, practical, and easy to remember. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice every day. Confidence comes with practice. Let's begin. Greetings and introductions. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you? I am fine. I am doing well. Thank you. You're welcome. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. What is your name? My name is Alex. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. How is everything? Everything is fine. Have a nice day. Basic daily conversations. What are you doing? I am studying English. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy. No, I am free. Let's go. Come with me. Wait a moment. Just a minute. Please sit down. Stand up, please. Listen carefully. Look at me. Tell me the truth. Please speak slowly. Could you repeat that, please? I understand. I don't understand. No problem. It's okay. Common daily use sentences. Excuse me, I am sorry. Don't worry, be careful. Try again. Keep practicing. You can do it. Never give up. Open the door. Close the door. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am happy. I am sad. I am ready. I am late. I am early. Shopping and travel. How much is this? It is too expensive. Do you have a discount? I like this. I don't like that. Can I help you? Yes, please. No, thank you. Where is the market? Where's the bus stop? Where's the station? I need a taxi. Please take me there. Stop here, please. How long will it take? What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. I am on my way. Please call me later. Thank you for your help. Motivation and confidence. I am learning English. I want to speak English fluently. I believe in myself. I am confident. Practice makes perfect. Time is precious. Knowledge is power. I will succeed. Success is my goal. I can achieve my dreams. Stay positive. Stay focused. Work hard every day. Never lose hope. Mistakes help us learn. Learning is fun. I'm improving every day. I am proud of myself. My future is bright. I will never give up. Conclusion. Congratulations. You have learned 100 powerful English sentences. Practice these sentences every day. Speak with confidence and clarity. Fluency comes with consistency. Remember, small steps lead to big success. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep smiling. You are doing great. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to Easy English Daily. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.